What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today, as you can see, we are putting on the final touches of track work on our NEX recreation of Lightning Rod from Dollywood. This is a much better recreation than I made it 5 years ago, and I can't wait to show you how this runs. The last thing we need to put on here after the track is done is just the LEDs, and then we will be ready to go. Stay tuned on Wednesday, November 30th for the premiere of my NEX recreation of Lightning Rod. I cannot wait to show this to you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys, I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!
Guess who's